Hello viewer, welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year 2026 to you all if you are watching this video in January. I'm shooting this video today 2nd of January 2026. So I wish you all a blessed year 2026. In today's video, I'll show you how to unlock an Android phone PIN password in case you've forgotten your phone PIN password. Some of my viewers have reached out to me that some of the solutions worked in some phones and does not work in some phones. So this solution currently it works in 2026. So it's a research we made December, and I'm making this video 2nd of January 2026. So this is a latest solution that works 2026. So in order for this to work for you, make sure you watch the video from start to the end, and also make sure you don't skip any part of this video. So let's get started, guys. Before I enter into the video, I want to put out this disclaimer notice that this video is strictly for educational purpose, and this video does not in any way support misuse of this content. So guys, let this serve as a disclaimer to you. So let's get started. So currently, as you can see, my phone is locked and I cannot unlock the phone. Currently, I've locked the phone and it's telling me to try again in 30 seconds. So in case you try to put in numerous wrong PIN or password and your phone told you to wait to try again in the next 30 seconds, don't panic. This video will show you how to unlock your Android phone, and it works also in Samsung phone in case you've forgotten your Android phone password or PIN. So let's get started, guys. So in order for you to unlock your forgotten Android PIN, first of all, open the phone and enter this PIN 084365. So it's going to tell you incorrect password. Please try again later. So the next step you want to do is to go to your phone emergency SOS section, which is available in all Android phones. And you can get that also from the unlock part. So let me open the phone, tap on this emergency SOS or emergency call depending on how it's shown on your phone. So here you're going to tap on this dial pad. It will bring up this dial pad or the number to dial. So you can see here emergency calls only. So you don't need to obtain your location here. So what you need to do is go ahead and type this code I'll give to you now. Start with star. I see 58. So guys, when you're done typing the code, make sure you confirm the code, because if you skip any step, you will need to start afresh. So make sure you're done confirming the code. Make sure you confirm the code before you can tap on the send to send the code you just dialed. So tap on it and you can see call failed. The number dialed is not an emergency number. So tap on OK, and after you tap on OK, wait minimum 20 seconds in order for you to enter the next step I will give to you. So while waiting for minimum 20 seconds, in case you've not subscribed to the channel, do well to subscribe to the channel so you get notified whenever I drop a new video like this, and also like the video to support the video. So let's get started. So after that, the next one you're going to do is to put in this PIN right here. Put in 0 into 6 places. So it's still going to tell you incorrect password. Try again later. So what you need to do is to go back to the emergency SOS or the emergency call section, and you're going to dial this code with me. This one is a little bit long, but make sure you dial the right code. So immediately you dial the right code, we can now unlock the phone. So go ahead and dial star. So after dialing this, be sure you confirm the number you just typed, and if it's correct, you go ahead and press the send. But if the number is not correct, you will need to start afresh. If you send a number that is not correct, if you send a code that is not correct, you will need to start afresh. So go ahead and confirm the number you just dialed here, and you tap on send. So you're still going to get this message, call failed. The number you dialed is not an emergency number. So tap on OK, and when you tap on OK, you are going to wait this time for minimum 15 seconds in order for what you just dialed to enter the system of the phone, so we can be able to unlock the phone. So go ahead and wait minimum 15 seconds, and be sure your wait time is at least 15 seconds, else it will not work. So if you've waited minimum 15 seconds, you are going to input this pin, and this is the second to the last step. So go ahead and go to your pin environment, and you input 1 into 6 places. So you're still going to get this prompt, incorrect password, please try again later. So in case your phone is the type of phone that will log you out and tell you to wait to try again after 30 seconds or after 60 seconds, the moment you put an incorrect PIN or password, go ahead and wait for the estimated time your phone asks you to wait. But in my own phone, I will need to put in a wrong PIN up to 4 times for my phone to log me out. So after waiting for the estimated time that your phone log you out, go ahead and put in this PIN to unlock your phone. 032026. So as you can see, our phone has been unlocked. And another thing you need to know about this method is that it doesn't wipe away your data. All your data are intact. So as you can see, I still have all my applications here and all my phone data. None of my files were wiped out. My medias are still intact. So you can also go to your phone settings to change your password. So thanks guys for watching. Please like the video and also subscribe to the channel so you get notified whenever I drop a new video like this. I'll see you in my next video.